South China Sea lama virtual le lokang o.
The U.S. sends massive warships in South China Sea.
US le China inkara khi azau tial tiala voin khan US sian ama ayana sajokin South China Sea hian patrolling anei le a China huat turzong ngatin ain dolong ta chu akwal koi tirvel ani China hian sumdong long helai mun paltlang ta chungil taka antum na mun panding turin atia kalkwal emo chol khomuan emo po arem tilo bur ani mase China in US allied force te avaulet na anral rel dan zongjong ahriat thu asoi nuwa chalachil nom masasa huai anti angdawin voin khan US chuan indolong noksak tham khopa tam South China Sea hian athon lut le ani
In the vicinity of a mineral rights dispute between Malaysia and China in the South China Sea for the second time in a month, US officials told US Defense News. Littoral combat ship USS Montgomery LCS-8 and replenishment ship USNS Cesar Chavez TH-14 conducted a presence operation in the South China Sea on Thursday near Panamanian-flagged drill ship West Capella. The drill ship is under contract to conduct surveying operations in Malaysia's exclusive economic zone for Malaysian state oil company Petronas. Chinese People Liberation Army Navy Plan warships and China Coast Guard vessels have also operated near the Malaysian contracted drilling ship. In late April, guided missile cruiser USS Bunker Hill (CG-52) sailed with the Royal Australian Navy frigate HMAS Parramatta FFG-154 before joining the amphibious assault ship USS America LHA-6 and guided missile destroyer USS Barry DDG-52 to conduct combined exercises in the area where a Chinese government survey ship Haiyang Dizzy 8 was said to be operating with an escort of several China Coast Guard ships. The U.S. Navy sent ships to patrol in the vicinity of a mineral rights dispute between Malaysia and China in the South China Sea for the second time in a month, U.S. officials told U.S. Defense News. Littoral combat ship USS Montgomery LCS-8 and replenishment ship USNS Cesar Chavez TH-14 conducted a presence operation in the South China Sea on Thursday near Panamanian-flagged drill ship West Capella. The drill ship is under contract to conduct surveying operations in Malaysia's exclusive economic zone for Malaysian state oil company Petronas. Chinese People Liberation Army Navy Plan warships and China Coast Guard vessels have also operated near the Malaysian contracted drilling ship.
The Economic Times in atarlan danin South China Sea hian buaina lian takchu atheng nei don ni in anrin thu antar langa Australian High Commissioner to India chuan helai vel mun a hian allied force te hian kan indolong le aircraft te hian operation hi anchun zom zeldona kan topsan don lawa development kalpluang pang ngai lai hi akal dan ngaya akal zel thainan ram dangte point helai malak na hi min support turin kasom chewa support min pesatlia tur nilovin Australia in kan ti ang che hian US hi support atul ati ti antar lang bok ani hemi omzia bera chuan Australia in sipaile indona man ruan nen ataka athok chuak ang hian ramdang po an thok chuak ve turani ati na ani deuh ber The Economic Times hian atarlan zeldanin Barry O'Farrell hian khovel khoi rampo hian Pacific Ocean hi kan mamoin sumdonan kan mangdu veka Pacific Ocean na South China Sea region big phei hi chu khovel hian international law nuaya zalen takin kan mangturani atia. Economic Times hian an report danin karma sakhan helai huna hian Vietnam sanghaman tu te longchu ding turin foreign indo longten anlo ti buaya inti buaina le indin tir tumna satlia nilovin foreign worship ten laom takin longka chiat na man ruanen anlo zui ani. China ram mai ni lovin South China Sea hi Asian nation zongjong te tana sumdonna economic zone poimo tak ani tiin an reporta antarlan zeldanin Australian High Commissioner hian South China Sea obbe hi China thil tum bultran na ania hetiang che hian India nena anram ribuaina mun ladak le scheme te po China hian alaron hau 5 don ani ti sein Beijing foreign politics hi China lok na atan chuan bolhlo taka chetle tharum manga in nor thleng po a hrelo anni COVID-19 khovela tuna hian kan chen mek lai hian China chuan athil tum chu a then omram te a alan tir tan mek ani hitiin asoibok. O'Farrell chuan Asia ram zongjonga Coast Guard tele tuipui lama chetla thin indo longte tan an hlawm em to helai hmuna hian engram poina an digna right an nei hi international law nuaya an exercise a zalenna an nei an manna tuipui chunga longmanga kalle thona manga helai region tho khuma an kalawanga har satna an nei chuan Australia chuan apui ngal zeldon ani atibok South China Sea chau hi an buaina anilowa ladak le skim bordara buaina te po thil rangdai anilo Indonesia Vietnam Taiwan le Malaysia te tan po buaina rangdai anilowa Chinese ho thil tum chu South China Sea tranga Asian nation te obbe hi ania engma inzom lo omlo ati ani hei hi The Economic Times in voina apuan ani. Heti lain China point helai hmuna hian indona chu tran ani to tiin Morning Star lama anlo tong chhuak ve boka China official chuan kan kal thui to lutuka khoiram ma hi in nu kirle thei kan ni to lo atia Russia alangoi zela Indo pui pathumna thleng mai thei tur ang maya mitam tak rin na ero athlen arin omvak lo achan chu China hian ama thlop tu ram engma ala nei lowa China thlop zonga tong chuak rampo tun thleng hi chuan anla om ri lo ni in alang ani